Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SQL in one day. First, let's set up your learning environment. You can use a free online SQL sandbox or install a lightweight database like SQLite on your computer. This initial step is crucial for hands-on practice. Next, grasp the fundamental concepts of relational databases, such as tables, rows, and columns. This foundation will make subsequent learning much smoother and more intuitive. Now, let's dive into the core SQL commands. Start with select from and where to query data effectively. These are your primary tools for retrieving specific information from your tables. Then, move on to insert into to add new records and update to modify existing ones. Finally, learn delete to remove data. Practicing these 4 fundamental operations will give you a strong command of data manipulation. Next, we'll refine your data retrieval skills. Master the where clause with logical operators like and, or, and not to filter your results precisely. Then, use order by to sort your data in ascending or descending order, making it easier to analyze. Don't forget aggregate functions such as count, sum, and AVG to perform calculations on your data. These tools are essential for extracting meaningful insights. Finally, let's explore how to combine data from different tables using join, starting with inner join. This is a powerful concept for working with relational databases. To solidify your knowledge, dedicate time to hands-on practice with various datasets and online SQL challenges. Consistent practice is key to mastery. Remember, learning SQL is an ongoing journey, so keep exploring more advanced features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.